Welcome. We've been waiting for you. SEB Benefits and HR Consulting has an award-winning team of subject matter experts delivering strategic benefits consulting, absence and disability management, health, work, and productivity strategies with a special focus on wellness and mental health, and HR and total rewards consulting. Before we begin any assignment, we offer a customized consultation service to clarify the exact nature of your requirements and the specific business benefits that you seek, linking our input directly to your success. And the success formula is simple. Listen first, create options for consideration, test for best value and results, implement flawlessly, continuously measure and improve performance, all with metrics and key milestones identified along the way. We won't just float an idea or leave you with an impressive report. We work with you through implementation to shape the most cost-effective solutions aligned specifically to your organizational objectives. Call us today with your inquiry and be prepared to walk away with a roadmap of opportunities for your consideration. SEB Benefits and HR Consulting, doing the possible by seeing the invisible.